My name is Helen. I am 26 years old. I belong to a rich family. Our house is big and beautiful. We have everything, cars, pool, and helpers. But still, I feel something is missing. I have things, but I want real love. People think I am lucky, but deep inside I feel sad. I smile in front of people, but I am alone. I like to watch love story movies. My parents give me money, but they do not give me time. They are always busy with their work and phones. I eat dinner with my parents, but something feels missing. I study alone. I sleep alone in my big room. But sometimes I dream of a love that feels so much better. I feel like a guest in my own house. I go to college every day. I study business. My parents want me to work in their company. They say, Maya, study hard. One day you will marry a good man from a rich family. I just smile and say, okay. Then one day everything changes. One day I am sitting in a park near my college. I like that park. It is quiet and green. I feel so awesome. I am reading a novel, Pride and Prejudice, when I see a boy sitting alone on a bench. He looks different. His hair is a little messy. His clothes are not new, but his face is kind and looking cute. He looks at the trees like he is thinking something deep. I look at him again and again. Then he looks at me and smiles. I feel shy and look down. He says, "Hey, nice day, right?" I smile and say, "Yes, very nice." He looks at me and says, "I am James." I look at him for a moment and then say, "I am Maya." We start talking. At first, I don't think much of it. Normally, I don't talk to strangers, but something about him feels different. James is funny. He talks about birds, music, and dreams. His words make me feel calm and happy. It's strange. I don't usually talk to guys like this, but I feel like I can trust him. He doesn't talk about money or fancy things like other boys. James tells me he works in a small car repair shop. I like that he works hard, and I can see he's proud of what he does. For the first time in a long time, I feel like I can just be myself with someone. He lives with 2 friends in a small flat. He says, "I do not have much, but I work hard." I like that. I respect people who work hard. After that day, I meet James again and again. I feel so good. We walk in the park. We drink coffee. We talk for hours. For the first time, I feel happy. I laugh again. I feel free. One day, James looks at me and says, "Maya, I like you. I know I am not rich, but my heart is full. I want to be with you." I look into his eyes. They are full of truth. No lies. No games. I feel something warm inside. I don't know why, but I feel like James understands me. He sees something in me that I did not know was there. Maybe it's because he does not care about money or things. He cares about who I am. And at that moment, I know James sees me for who I really am. I smile and say, "I like you too, James." We become boyfriend and girlfriend. I do not tell my parents. They will not understand. They only care about rich people. One evening I am with James near my college. We are laughing and eating ice cream. Everything feels good. Suddenly I see my dad's car stop near us. I feel a little scared. My dad gets out of the car. He looks angry. He walks towards me and says, "Maya, get in the car." Now, at home, my mum is waiting. When I walk in, she looks upset too. My dad and mum both shout at me. "Who is that boy?" my dad asks. "He is poor," my mum says. "He is not like us. He wants your money. You are young. You do not know what love is." I start to cry. I feel hurt. Why do they not understand? James is kind to me. He does not care about money or anything. He just cares about me. I say James is a good man. He did not want money from me. He just wanted my love and support. He cares about me, but they don't not listen. They say you will not see him again. I run to my room and cry the whole night, but I do not stop seeing James. We meet in the park. We talk on the phone. We dream of living together one day. Then one day something bad happens. I wait for James in the park. I look at my phone again and again, but he does not come. I call him. His phone is off. I try again. I wait 1 hour, 2 hours. I start to feel worried. Where is he? Why is he not here? I call his phone again. No answer, no message, no call. I feel scared. What happened to him? Is he okay? Did he leave me? The next day, I get a message from a strange number. It says James is in jail. I feel cold. My body shakes. I don't know what to do. My heart beats so fast, I feel like I can't breathe. I quickly run to the police station. My hands shake as I walk inside. I hope this is all a mistake. I keep thinking, please, James, be okay. I walk inside the police station, my heart racing. I look around, and then I see him. James is behind the bars. His face looks tired. His eyes are red. I can hardly breathe. My legs feel weak as I walk closer. James, what happened? I cry. Tears start to fill my eyes. I want to reach out and hold him, but I can't. He looks different, not the same James I knew. He looks at me, but he does not speak right away. It feels like time stops. He says, Maya, I am sorry. Your parents called the police. They said I was disturbing you. I shout, that is a lie. He says, I just wanted to see you, but they said I followed you and scared you. I did not do anything. Tears fall from my eyes. I waited for you in the park, I whisper. I know, he says softly. I was already here in jail. I cry like a child. My heart hurts so much. He puts his hand on the bars, trying to reach out to me. I will be okay, Maya. Please wait for me. I nod, but I feel so scared. How long will it take? Will he be okay? James stays in jail for 2 months. Every weekend I visit him. I bring him food. I write him letters. I want him to feel my love and support. Even though he is behind bars at home, things are hard. I fight with my parents every day. They say, forget him. He is not good for you. He is in jail. But I refuse to listen. No, I say firmly. I will wait for him. Then I say to my parents, you are taking my love away from me. One day your daughter will be taken away from you. Loving James is not easy. My family, especially my mom, does not like him. They do not want me to marry him. They think I deserve someone rich, someone who can give me more. They think James is not good enough for me. One day, after a big fight with my mom, I sit alone in my room crying. I tell her, Mom, I love him. I want to marry him, even if it means losing everything. I can't live without him. But instead of understanding, she slaps me. You are making us ashamed, she shouts, after all we have done for you. This is how you repay us. You bring shame to our family. I try to explain, but she won't listen. My dad is also angry. He says, we will never accept this marriage. You cannot marry James. It will never happen. I beg them, I cry, but they don't care. They want me to forget James and marry someone rich, someone they approve of. But I know it's not about money. It's about love. For weeks, I fight with my parents. Every day feels like a battle. They lock me in my room to stop me from seeing James. They have guards around the house, watching me all the time. But I'm not scared. I know what I want, and no one can stop me. One day when everyone is gone, I get the courage to leave. I sneak past the guards and run out through the back door. The police do not listen to me. The court gives James 1 year in jail. I cry every day. Every day I look at the calendar. Every night I talk to his photo. I say, I am still here. I will wait for you. After 1 year, James walks out of jail. When I see him, I feel happy, but also shocked. He looks very thin. His clothes are old. He looks tired. He sees me after a long time. He looks at me. His face shows surprise and also happiness. He did not think I would come. Then he said, "You really waited for me." I nod slowly. My eyes fill with tears. I run to him and hug him tight. I say softly, "I never left. I was always yours." I look into his eyes and say, "Please marry me. I cannot live without you. I have nothing if I don't have you. I can't survive this pain anymore." He holds my hand like he never wants to let go. He says, "Yes, Maya, I will marry you. I will love you until my last breath." In that moment, we know we have lost everything. No job, no money, no place to go, no family. Some kind people hear our story. They feel sad. One man says, "You can live in my small flat." A woman gives us plates and blankets. We say thank you with tears. We decide to have a small wedding, no big party, no rich clothes, just love. We go to a small garden. Only 5 people come. I wear a plain white dress. James wears a clean shirt. We say our vows with smiles and tears. No music, no cake, just a quiet promise. I love you forever. That day we start a new life. Small, simple, but full of love. After marriage, we work hard together. We save money. We open a small car repair garage. Business is slow, but people like James, he is honest. He fixes cars well. People come back. They tell others. Slowly, our life becomes better. My parents still don't talk to me much, but they see we are happy. They see I smile again. One day my mum visits me. She says, "Maya, are you okay?" I say, "Yes, Mom, I am happy." She looks around. The room is small, but it feels warm. She sits. She holds my hand. She says, "I see love in your eyes. That is more than money." James forgives everything my parents did. After 1 year, we go to visit my parents. Now they accept our love. James loves me and we are happy. Now I have a baby, a girl. We name her Hope. She is small and sweet. She holds our hearts. James kisses her forehead. He says she will know what real love is. Today I sit in the same park where I first met James. Hope is playing with her toy. I look at James. He is fixing a bike for a boy. I smile. My house is not big. My bank is not full. But my heart is. Love is not money. Love is not a big house. Love is not expensive things. Love is holding someone when they are sad. Love is standing together through pain. Love is waiting. Love is forgiving. Love is enough. Looking back, I can say with all my heart that love is the most important thing in life. Money, big houses, and all the fancy things in the world will never make you feel truly happy. Only love can do that. My journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it because I followed my heart. I found my true happiness with James. He didn't have a lot of money, but he had love for me, and I had love for him. What really matters to you? Is it the things you have or the people you love? Please share your thoughts with me in the comments below. And if you feel moved by this story, hit like and subscribe for more stories just like this. Love is enough. It does not matter how much you have or where you come from. If you have love, you have everything. Thank you for listening to my story. Let's keep spreading love.